Coffee syrup. Coffee bean syrup.
Happy Saturday! We are at the Wilderness Lodge for breakfast at Whispering Canyons, and this is our wonderful view from our table.
Did you just add an S to it? Whispering Canyons. We're going to JCPenney's? Where are you going? Aldi's? Where are you going? Walmart's? Going to Target's?
Disney's. Disney's those knees.
I get a whole thing of coffee.
That's Mom's coffee.
You know what? I have one of these at home. I should take it out on the porch with me and save me from walking back and forth.
Just take the Keurig out on the porch.
And Nathan only gets this.
I only got it. Mom gets all of that. And I only got this. What the heck?
You can have a little of mine.
What I need to do is pour a cup of coffee and dump this into
just
it.
Like home. Just like
Yeah,
home.
aren't they cute? Our waitress said if they happen to go missing, she knows nothing. But I'm not so sure I have a big enough purse for that, so.
It's fine, we don't need it. Hello.
Hi.
We are at the Contemporary Resort. We drove to Disney Springs. Actually, so we went to breakfast at Wilderness Lodge, drove home. Some of us took a nap. Some of us went to the pool. And then we drove to Disney Springs and got Starbucks.
Not sponsored.
Common theme. And what did we do? Drove Starbucks. Oh, and then we rode the bus to Contemporary because we wanted to look at the gift shops. And Mom's never been on a Disney bus, so she's been on a Disney bus now. I didn't realize she wasn't on a Disney bus ever, but she thought it was very clean and very impressive. So, yeah. But yep, just here, kind of wandering around and looking at stuff. Still on the search for the Wishable pins. I don't think it's going to happen anytime soon, but never know. We might luck out. And I don't know what we're going to do. I guess walk around Disney Springs, go to World Disney. Mom wants to look for a few little things. And just have a good evening before tropical storm now, I guess. Yeah. Not hurricane comes. But watermelon.
Found him!
What are the odds that we get all the same ones?
Knowing our luck.
Is this the price?
I don't know, I feel like this is like
Question is how many should we get? Well, how many are we allowed to get if there's a limit? There was one, at one point it was like 2 per person. I don't know.
I don't know.
Buy them all.
No.
How many's on the rack? How many are on
Look, we
there?
have Park House too.
We already have 2 of those to open.
I know.
Oh, they have 1 million of them. They have a lot. I don't think you're going to be able to feel it.
You question my feeling abilities? We also have mystery. Uh-oh.
Oh no, let us throw and wreck in the place.
Alright, I'm gonna grab 2 from the back. 2?
I don't know. 2 or 3.
Pulling off, I'm afraid. So, you want 3? Grab 1 more from the back?
Sure. We'll try 3 and then if they yell, we can separate the purchase. I think really 3 is too many. Yeah, yeah. 3 is plenty. We'll see.
I could literally sit here and...
There's no way she's ever going to be able to fill. Because like we saw, they're in a bag.
Yeah.
And they're all, it's not like...
I can literally feel a shape,
but not,
I don't know. The shapes are so close. Like a lot, like even Nemo and Dory are like really close to shape.
Yeah.
And like Pooh and Tigger are really close.
I don't know,
So
we'll see.
No, but I was doing that for purposes. But the shrimp is amazing.
We are at. Claudia looks at her napkin.
Crafted Italian.
No, what are. That's the subtitle.
Oh. Terralino?
Terralino. Crafted Italian. It's very good. And it's all gluten-free.
It is.
Well, for you.
Well, so it's supposed to be penne with shrimp, but she said the rotini is the gluten-free version of it.
Really good.
Hold on.
Please hold. So we did. We went into World of Disney for a second, and then I walked over to Pin Traders for a second, and I got another pack of Wishables. Lady said, "These are selling so fast." And I was like, "They're really hard to find." And she flipped it over and she pointed and she said, "You better get Briar Rabbit." And I was like, "We're trying." She said, "Good luck." And because she's like, there was 3 on a hanging shelf behind the counter. And she said, "Which one do you want?" And I said, "Oh, I don't know, you picked." So she was funny. So I think the end of this video, our official end, will be an unboxing. I don't know if that's going to be tonight, or we might do that tomorrow and then put the video out eventually. So stay tuned for the unboxing. We have Park Pals and Wishables. We could not wait. I thought we were gonna we might do this in the morning, but we can't wait.
Too anxious.
We've been holding these ones for long enough just by themselves. So
I had to put them on our dresser in a spot where I couldn't see them because it was literally driving me that crazy.
So we have 2 Park Pals.
So excited. I don't even remember which one we bought before.
And enough Wishables. We have 4, so we could do 2 each.
Yeah.
Okay, we'll do the Park Pals first.
Okay. Uh-oh. I need that already. I can't. There's like a little tiny...
Before we got, did we get Mickey?
We got Cheshire Cat and we got...
Wasn't.
Was it Winnie the Pooh?
Winnie the Pooh. Yeah.
I just find it so strange that they use these like little black bags, you know? I mean, I kind of get it.
I think in the boxes
Holding
they
the
always have it.
suspense. And I'll just cut this one off at it.
I'm not gonna do anything. I didn't know that.
This is like an Aries.
Oh, Ariel.
Okay.
Did I just say a word?
Little
Kitty!
Simba! Can you see
I don't think they can
I
see
don't
it.
know. I'm gonna give them it. Give the credit.
Here,
they
let me
can
see if they can see it. Hold on, I'm gonna walk around you.
Okay. Oh, it kind of looks like he's holding like the tree of life. It's kind of adorable. Can you see him?
Yeah, kind of.
I'll show him anyways, just for effect. I'll show you guys anyway.
I gotta climb back up on my stool.
I know it's kind of wobbly, so be careful.
All right.
All right. Number 2 is ooh. Ooh, we got a good one. That's Briar Rabbit.
None of these are
English for
even.
that was Briar Rabbit.
None of these are
So cute.
even limited edition, are
I
they?
like want to pet him.
But still.
No, but they're still really, really cute. Okay.
You're gonna let me open them, which is
It's fine.
the king of repeats.
It's whatever.
Call me a sitcom because I'm gonna repeat. Nope.
Okay, enough of the dad jokes. Weirdo. What? I really want Minnie. Or Stitchy. Actually, any of the rest of them except for a repeat would be fine. Now that's just me. Oh, Mickey!
Mickey.
Oh, and he's holding the castle too. It's so adorable.
What's Simba holding?
Simba's holding like almost like it's a
Oh, like a tree.
It's a
or
tree,
not
but
a
I'm
tree
thinking-
of life.
yeah, that's what, yeah. I said
How about
that.
the bunny, a
I
briar?
don't know what he's holding. It's like a tree, but oh, what is it? Something? Or is it a repeat? Tell me it's not Cheshire. Oh well, that's good. Winnie the Pooh. Is it another Brer Rat?
No, I'd be happy about that. A Brer Rat.
I don't know why I said that. Whatever. Baby Simba. Alright, so anybody who needs the Baby Simba, here you go.
Alright.
Wishables, wishables, wishables.
Okay, you go for.
Wishables. Okay. Collect the 16
I will not
designs.
scream. I might scream.
It's a darn good thing that there's not other people that are Airbnb with us. Alright.
How many do you get? 5.
You get 5 and
Oh no, they're connected. That's not good.
Oh, no, it's a good thing or a bad
Oh
thing.
no.
Well, okay, we'll start with these ones then. And I'll make a snip there. The suspense is killing me! Okay, wait, which ones can we get? Okay.
I know.
Uh-oh.
Oh no.
Uh-oh, Winnie the
Oh
Pooh
no.
again.
That's
Uh-oh.
3 of him, I think.
Man, if anybody needs Winnie the Pooh, let us know. Ooh, hello.
We like
It's the
that.
bride. I don't know if you can see her, but here, I will show you anyway.
What's her name, Laura?
I don't know. All I know is she's the bride.
Canceled.
It's fine. Okay, wait. These ones are empty,
So she was connected to Pooh.
which is very interesting, unlike our first 2 packs that we
Mm-hmm.
tried to do. We are having really good luck! Oh
No,
my
we're not.
gosh, it's Brian Rabbit!
Put that on eBay for $70.
Holy smokes, he's so cute!
eBay.
He's so cute. With his
$70
little-
right now.
He's got like a baby pink shirt and the little blue pants. Oh my gosh.
I don't know if it's really going for $70, but all of the Splash Mountain merch
It's gone.
is just gone.
It's just gone.
And so he's pretty popular right now. Little Bun Bun.
Alright. Ooh, this is another one we don't have. I think he's part of Splash Mountain
He
too.
is, yeah.
I just don't know his name, so sorry in advance to all my lovely Disney fans.
Isn't it just
Jump.
Firefox?
Is it? Okay.
Should we? I don't have my phone.
Okay. And then
No, we're still on you.
oh, we still have one more out of this collection. I feel like we got a lot of different ones this one. This
Yeah,
would be,
you
this
say
would be,
that.
like the other Haunted
Why do
Mansion
I keep
one!
going like I can't breathe? It's not.
It's so cute. Oh my gosh. He's like holding the little hat box
Mhm.
thing. I don't know why I was like that. Can you see that? Okay. All right, Nathan's turn. Oh,
Excuse me.
I stole your scissors.
All right. Here we go.
Yeah, just dig right into that.
I see purple.
Okay.
I see more purple.
Is it Buzz?
I see
Is
white.
it Buzz? Is it Buzz?
It's
Is it Buzz?
Buzz!
It's Buzz! I'm so excited! Finally, we're not getting repeats. No repeats.
We have 4 bags. We're gonna get a repeat.
Shh. Jeez, you're gonna break it. It is not Aries season.
I see blue.
Alien.
I see yellow.
Dory.
It is a Dory.
It's Dory.
A Dory.
A Dory bowl.
No,
No.
we have some of those too.
Here, give me your trash and I will dispose.
I'll use the scissors. As I just cut right into my fingers. That's why I don't use scissors.
Not a good idea. Tell me. Open it. Ah! It's Ariel.
She's so happy.
She's so cute. I don't know why I was doing that, but it was so cute. I need another bag for this.
I don't know if we have this one or not. We might.
I think we do.
Nemo.
Nemo! Well, we're getting quite a bit of the collections here.
I don't even know what we don't have.
I don't
it's
really
another
remember.
fish.
Oh yeah?
Mhm.
This one and this one.
It is a flounder.
Oh, I don't think we have him yet.
I don't think so. So we have Ariel and Flounder. They're a set. We have the Haunted Mansion set.
Haunted Mansions.
You hold her up. Haunted Mansion set.
Haunted Mansion.
I know we have Pooh and Tigger. We have the Splash Mountain set. We have Nemo and Dory set. We don't have the Alien yet.
Alien for Buzz and Alien.
And we don't have any of the Pirates set.
Oh, I thought we got.
Oh
all
no,
of
we
it.
do. We have the.
We have
Is it the skeleton?
the skeleton guy. I don't think we ever got
Probably
Jack.
should look up his name. All right, your turn. Now you know that we have almost all of them, so they're gonna repeat. So don't get upset.
Can we not shake the people?
I'm flipping the table.
Yeah, but you're also shaking the people.
We're fine.
Whoa, I just really dug into that one. Ooh, my bad. I got it. I think I did. Okay. Beep. Coming from the one who was digging into his. I'll just unsnip them.
Oh no.
Snip, snap, snip, snap. I am not an Office fan at all. Nope. All right, here goes. I'll repeat Dory. Although, what's the weird? Oh, it must be
It's
some weird
fuzzies.
packaging fuzz.
Dory, Dory. Dory meet Dory.
Dory meet Ariel.
Crappy.
It's okay. And we have Buzz.
Another Buzzy.
Is this oddly same? And we have Nemo.
We just did this. This is
I don't
crazy.
feel like they. I feel like they stick the same ones together, but I
Can't be.
But, and
Flounder.
Another flounder.
We almost have 2 full
Wait,
sets,
1, 2.
except for Splash Mountain. I bet that's the only Splash Mountain we're gonna get.
Probably.
All right, last one. We're gonna rocket through this one.
Yeah.
Pirate, but not Jack.
Darn.
Him.
I think that's all we need.
Bride
no,
lady.
we need a what?
Bride.
Bride. Okay, so then this like proves my defunct
This can't
theory.
be. No, see, it's not. Because I just thought alien. He won't come out. It's like, whoa.
Ah. We are chosen. We are eternally grateful.
Alien.
The little star in his eyes are just adorable.
Yay!
We got the whole set now, I think.
Yeah, I think so.
Well, good, because we're not buying any more of these.
But I want to sell these ones. No.
That's so sad.
We have to get 2 more of those.
That's so sad. Hey, wait, I can put them in. Oh, well, the other ones are in the room, so we can.
Hitchhiking. Okay, so we did good.
Yeah, we did really good.
We do have a full set now.
Hooray!
So Buzz, Alien, Pooh, Tigger, Ariel, Flounder, Pirates, Nemo, Splash Mountain, Frozen, Haunted Mansion.
Yay!
Not
I'm
bad.
so excited. They are so cute.
So we have, I know we have 2 Poohs. We'll have to look and see, but yay!
This is awesome.
How many more of the park tiles do we need? Because there's only 8.
So
We have Mickey, Pooh, and Cheshire, and Briar Rabbit,
Yes.
and Simba.
2
So-
Simbas.
So we need Minnie, Stitch, and Pascal.
So if anybody really wants a Simba, you can have our Simba, and we will trade for any of those. But let us know.
We could post on Instagram too.
Oh, yes.
All right. Well, that was fun. And on that, thank you for watching.
Yes.
And we will see you in the next video, whatever that may be.
Soon. We'll see you real soon.
Bye.
Bye.